or some sort of crisis where communication is key, a tech company has come up with a device that clips into your teeth, and it makes it much easier to understand what's being said. It is called a molar mic. Firefighters and other first responders have been trying it out. The Department of Defense is going to work on developing the technology to eventually outfit the Air Force and possibly other military branches. Okay, so you heard it a little bit. Let's talk about how it works. A miniature version of a traditional headset clips into the back of your teeth. There's a tiny microphone and a speaker, all in a custom-fit mouthpiece, and it blocks out external noises. It leverages your teeth and jawbone to create a new auditory path for hearing as well, so you don't need an earpiece. Some California firefighters did try it out, compare it to their regular two-way radios. Look at the difference.
So exactly how do the audio bone waterproof bone conduction headphones work? There's an example of what the inner ear looks like and how the ear canal is connected to the malleus and the auditory nerves and the cochlea, and of course your eardrum. In the case of normal hearing transmission, a vibration passes, an air vibration passes into the ear and onto the eardrum, which then transfers the information through all the parts of your ear and sends the signal to the brain. And it's the air that's creating the vibration. What's neat, under bone conduction, instead of the air traveling through this canal, it actually vibrates the bone outside of your ear, which transfers the vibration past the eardrum, so you don't require air anymore. It's a strict vibration, strictly a vibration, and then on to the brain. That's actually why many people who have some sort of hearing loss due to eardrum problems or ear problems can hear with bone conduction hearing aids and may actually be able to listen to music with the audio bone headphones. So thank you for the question on how it works. We hope this graphic and little video helps answer your question.
الو، ازيك يا كمول؟ انت اخبارك ايه يا معلم؟ عايز صوتك شويه يا اكمل. الحمد لله كله تمام. انت عامل ايه؟ ايه نزلنا النهارده شويه؟ يلا بينا. يلا البس وانا هنزل لك اهو. يلا هكلمك وانا نازل. اوكي اوكي، يلا سلام. سلام.